Hello everyone. In the Vocabulary in a Minute series, I bring you the term amazing today. Amazing means causing great surprise or wonder. Let us look for the replacement of the term amazing. Number 1, unbelievable, incredible, astounding, astonishing, awe-inspiring, inconceivable. Please guys, avoid using the word amazing in this context. Food is amazing, this dress is amazing, my mom is so amazing. Please do not say this, it is very LS. In the next video of the series, guys, I will bring for you those terms that can be used when you feel something or someone is too good, other than wrongly using the term amazing. So stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Take care.